On 25th of April 2026, the students of Dynamic English Academy, Batla House and Shaheen Bagh gathered together at Sunder Nursery and enjoyed. Of course, our third branch students could not come because it is quite far from here. But most of the students are from Batla House branch and Shaheen Bagh branch. Our main purpose was to gather together and practice English conversation there at the park and enjoy with friends on the weekend. So we did there, and it was great that Holger sir, who was from Germany, joined us there, and students enjoyed talking to him, and along with him Adrian sir from South Africa also came to the park and met the students and enjoyed conversation with them. And for the girls, we had a separate conversation group where Mary Ma'am, who is from South Africa, she led that group along with her children. Mr. Brajesh Chaudhary, who leads our Dynamic English Academy at Wazirabad, he was also present there at that time, along with Sumaya Ma'am, who leads Shaheen Bagh branch, and Afsha Ma'am, who was leading Batla House branch. They all were there with the students and they had a lot of fun together. How did you find it? Did you enjoy?
Yes, I enjoyed, sir.
Enjoyed talking to the people here?
Yes,
Okay.
I enjoyed, and it was very great to get together.
Yes. And you are a student, or you were former student from Dynamic?
I am former
At Shaheen Bagh or Batla House?
Shaheen Bagh.
Okay, great. Good to see you here. It was scorching heat that day. It was heat wave going on. Still, the students gathered there in a large number.